Chérie, moi vais accompagner. Vivre juste nos seuls. Passez par ma passage.
So that's pretty much the whole first half of the solo. We're gonna get into it, guys. So it's that's why Nicky's a genius, man. He takes classical music, he turns it into compa. That's why Nicky's a genius. Right now we're gonna learn Harmonik, that pop ka separe solo. I'm gonna break it down for you guys in just a few minutes. This is Roland Blazay. Welcome to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. So right now I'm going to be using sounds from the Mod X. So what is he doing here, guys? So right now we're in the key of B flat. So it's a B flat, then go to the D. Then you go straight to your G minor. Then you go to your D again. Then you go to your E flat. Then you go to your B flat major. You'll go to your E flat again. Then you go to your F major. But so that's what he's doing. So guys, this is what he does. On the B flat, he does this. He goes to the 3. Then he goes to the D. Then he goes to his G minor. But he's still playing with the 3rd note of the chord. And then he goes to his D again. Then he goes to the E flat major. So now he's going to a regular B major, B flat major. Then he goes back to the E flat again. So that's his whole thing. So that's really the whole thing there. And then he continues on with another aspect of the solo here. So what is he doing? All he's doing is following his chord progression, guys. So, so he's going back from the 5, going back to the 1. So the F going to the B flat major. So it's, you know, remember how you can play with the 1 and the 7? So B flat A. So now we're going to D. Going to the G. Go back to the D. Now he's playing around with the E flat now. Whatever, however you want to finish it. But that's really all he does. He's just keeping this main chord progression and playing around with the notes with it. This E flat, so it's that's why Nicky's a genius, man. He takes classical music, he turns it into compa. That's why Nicky's a genius. This is Roland Blazay signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that compa, you will learn compa, you will know how to play, and we've just released the official beginner's compa course. In the compa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, compa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, compa rhythm. In this compa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing compa. For $19.99. This compa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play compa in no time. Most of the key elements to compa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait. Do not hesitate. Get your compa course now and start playing compa right where you're at.
something that's good for me.